Those who are fascinated with the bird sounds wake up early in the morning every day to listen their chirping, twittering, singing. May birds appear on the branches or not. Their sweet sound is likely to be heard a lot. Birds produce different types of cries, sounds. Birds only know their language without fail. Like human beings, they also communicate with each other. Their communication is hard to understand, but very sweet to hear, to listen. After all, natural music is natural. Viewers, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you.